Hey, no, wait. Hey, put this in my fuck everything pouch.
Yeah. Don't say that again.
Why?
Push up, bro. Go.
Grant, this way. Bang, bang. Little kids. I got this. Oh, done. Let's go. Come on, pull back. Oh, hey. No, guy right there. He's coming around. Let's go. Let's pull back a bit. Yeah, you're right. What? Pushing up or pulling back? Push. Bang. Oh, never mind. Boo.
I was like, I'm gonna let him make sure that it
I think we're just trapping them. Woo! What do you want to do? Hey Grant, we need to cover that hole. Somebody cover down there.
We already got 2 people down there.
Oh, we do? Okay. They're lighting us up.
Get over there. Push. Go. I got him. I got you covered.
We're good. Go. Oh, they're all in there. Wait a second. Idiot. We're gonna rush through their spawn and hit them. I know. We're gonna have to sprint through it. What? I know. We're just gonna run through and clear out their warehouse. Oh.
Oh yeah, shoot me after you say it, huh? That's not even 10 feet. That's not even 10 feet.
I got an idea. Excuse me. Whew. Where is he? Bang bang. Bang bang. I got you already. Fuck it. What? I don't know. The ref is right over there, ask him. He was walking down the main hallway. Bang bang! I got you at the same time. Bang bang! Oh. No. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yep. What? Does anyone have that flag? Surrender! Surrender! You said surrender! I got it. Surrender! Or you get shot in the nuts. Jesus Christ. Go. How do you want to do this? Yeah, get him. Hey, watch my ass. Oh shit! Right there. I can't get an angle on him. Ah, fuck, got hit in the arm. Yeah.
Oh, what's your YouTube channel?
Vanguard 1AZ.
Okay.
So. I'm gonna push up left side. Okay, let's push up this side. Go. Go, go. We're moving past your spawn. Bang, 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 bang. Hi. Hey, is this off center at all?
Yeah, close enough.
Alright. What?
Carry the shotgun.
You want me to carry it?
Oh,
Alright. Ah, fuck. Got it. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Hey, wait.
Grant, help me push him back.
Hey, was that gas in there, Paul?
What?
Oh.
Hey, sorry. Help me push them back on that side. What? I don't see any. Let's do this side.
Oh, what?
Actually, you know what? One of you guys go around. Alright. Where they at? Got it. Hey, can you suppress them? Go. Oh. Just keep them suppressed. Don't stop firing. Bang!
Watch it! Watch it!
Dead man don't talk, bro. Go, 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 go. Pull back, pull back. Let's keep him from moving up. Go, 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 go. go, go!
There's a flag at that door.
Okay.
Bang! Oh, sorry.
Go around.
I know. Come on, cover me.
Behind us over here. Oh, enemies. Never mind.
Yeah, we gotta go to enemy. Come on.
Right here, I got you.
Fuck.
We're gonna have to regroup.
Hey, Nick.
Guys, everyone with me. We're gonna push up the computer room side. Here, guys, go in front of me. Let's go.
Go, go, go. Somebody watch me.
Guys, go!
Go, go, go!
Window, window! I know, window.
Hey, right behind that blue car, man. Yeah, I saw that. Push it! Push it!
Go, 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 go! Go! Okay, bad idea. Wait, do I just walk in?
Wait. No,
Go around the back.
I think there might be
Come here.
guys in
Come here. Go around the back.
Guys, watch this. No. All bodies here. Boarded them. Watch this. Okay. So you know where you have to go with it, right? That little hole?
Yeah,
We're just all of us gonna run in the center, and just break off.
got it. I was right there! Ah!